John Holiday, singer, lifestyle, net worth, age, wife, biography, ex-girlfriend, and more information. His celebrity name, John Holiday. His birth name, John Thomas Holiday Jr. His date of birth, 1985. His age, 35 years as in 2020. His body features and measurement height, 5 feet 9 inches and weight 84 kg. His hair color is black and his eyes color is black. His birthplace name, Sugartice, Texas, United States. His hometown, United States of America. His nationality, American. His profession, opera singer, songwriter. He's famous for In the Voice, American Season 19. John Holiday careers for. John Holiday is an American opera singer and musician and selected of the show The Voice America 2020 on NBC. In 2020, he participated on NBC The Voice America show in which he was the top 5 finalist. His repertoire focus of the Baroque and contemporary composers, including stage, opera, and opera in concert, works for voice and orchestra and experimental mixed media. He has participated in several world premieres. He has performed with several opera companies in the United States, toured with the Los Angeles Philharmonic. In 2006, he opened for Germany Award winner Jason Mraz at the MC Fallon Auditorium in Dallas. In October 2020, he auditioned successfully for a contestant spot on NBC's The Voice, where he is coached by John Legend. His net worth $850,000.